Namaskar, this is Tanisha Arora. Welcome to Arts and Woods. Today I have along with me Ashish Mittal,
Namaskar.
Director of Arts and Woods. And today in this video we are discussing about the home temple.
Thank you for the introduction, ma'am.
Yeah.
Home temple is the most important place in our home. And our God, our deities who have given us everything that we have, we invite them to stay with us in our homes. And every one of us wants the most beautiful place for our deities.
Yeah.
And really want it should be much better than what we have, our home. So the unit that we are going to show you now,
Yeah.
how beautifully the home temples can be created, and the best part, as per your requirement.
Yeah. Sir, let's start with the most important points that we should know when we are making the home temple.
Definitely. See, the basic point, the first point is the size. Because every home has different place.
Yeah.
Some people have an entire room dedicated to
Yeah.
the temples. Then we have small flats, apartments, or you can have a big koti or villa, or your farmhouse, your office, any place. The size is the first thing that we should know. Then comes the formation of the temple, the structural part. Structural part involves two things.
Okay.
First thing is about our puja tradition.
Okay.
Now, if you see this unit, this is for standing and praying.
Yeah.
And if you want to sit and pray, then you can keep a chair. I'll put some chair here.
Sure.
Let me put this chair. And if you can please sit and show to our viewers. Now, here you can see it's a comfortable sitting height. And elders in our home, they cannot sit very easily on the floor. So they can sit on a chair and pray easily.
Yeah.
Now, this was the first point about the chowki height, the platform height.
Okay.
In any case, when we are praying, our deities should be placed above the knee roll.
Yeah.
So, if you have a lower chowki, it should be the point that it should be above the knee roll, and the best part is about the chest height.
Yeah.
So, this is a good height because it's going above my waist, so it's a good height. This is the first point. Accordingly, the base is done. So, here we have a diya tray. It's not very big, but it's sturdy enough. Even if you want to put some thali here, it's a good space.
Yeah.
But if you want bhog tray, then it goes bigger in size.
Okay.
So that is one point. Another thing is about how many deities, the idols, or photo frames, pictures we have.
Okay.
Accordingly, the internal structure is created. Now here you can see we have quite high area.
Yeah.
Now, if you, let's say you have a 4 feet statue, you have a big statue, so it cannot fit inside it.
Yeah.
Because the most important part is when you are standing in front of the unit like this, the head part of the statue of the idol should be clearly visible. That is the most important point.
Yeah.
So accordingly, the internal structure is created. Next point is about the gopuram, the top part. In a lot of traditions, the top part is not preferred. People don't go for gopuram or the kalash, the top part that is that you see here, and shikhar also people call it. And in some places, the gopuram is very important part.
Okay.
So accordingly, the top part is created. So size, puja tradition, and the designing part. Now coming to the designing part, if you see here, we have peacock here, we have got elephants, and we have got elephants in two shapes. Here you can see the trunk is up, and the bottom one has got lower side trunk. So again, these are finer points that are discussed with our Panditji or our Guruji, and they let us know what should be done. Accordingly, the unit is created.
Okay. Sir, please tell the viewers about the size of this unit and what is this color combination called?
The size of this unit is 5 feet left to right, from that point to this point, 5 feet.
Okay.
Front to back, if you see it closely, this elephant area is extra outside,
Okay.
but the platform is 24 inches. So from here to this point, this is 24 inches, 2 feet.
Okay.
The platform is 30 inches from the ground, this area, from the ground 30 inches, and total height is close to 9 feet.
Okay.
It's a very high unit, and it has to be seen because these days, the homes are not more than 9 feet high, the ceiling. So it has to be seen. If you have 10 feet ceiling and above, then this size is good enough. This is the overall size, and the color is triple shade. So if you see, there is lighter color, then we have darker shades inside, and then we have gold shading, highlighting for the entire carving area.
Okay.
It is a triple shade unit and very beautiful color. One of the most liked colors in temples, in furniture, sofa, dining. We have made all the stuff all possible items in this color and shipped globally. People have liked this color a lot.
Ashish ji, as
Ji.
you mentioned, everybody have different puja tradition,
Ji.
and every client would require a different unit.
Yes, that's
So, what level of customization do we do?
if we talk about customizations, till the point we can do it, we do it. So if there is something that is not technically possible or it won't look good, then we don't do it. Or we tell the client that this is not possible, this is very odd looking, or there may be some issues in the unit, in the design, in the pattern, that we tell them. But anything, I remember just a few days back, a client, she has really beautiful drawing, and she drew something on a paper, and she sent that unit to us, and we created that unit out of the hand drawing. So that level of customization we provide. This is a simple example. If I show you in this unit, so we've got 3 drawers here, and generally in this unit we have panels here. These are openable storage. But in this unit, if you can see, let me show you that side. If you can open that area.
Yeah.
Now the storage is on the side. So client wanted the storage on the side instead of the front storage. So that is also a customization part.
Yeah.
And rest everything that you see here is customized because the sizes are different, colors are different, and then if I remember, the last unit that we created in the similar type had a different style of gopuram.
Yeah.
Here the client wanted a different kalash.
Okay.
So that is done. So everything and anything that the client wants, if the Guruji or Panditji have told them that you should not have the peacock in your home, or elephant should be like this, or anything that goes with their Puja tradition, they want to add something, or they want to remove something, we can do that.
Okay.
So any size we make from 18 inches, even 12 inches unit we have created, 12 inches, 18 inches to 8 feet, 9 feet, 10 feet units. Bigger units can be done depending completely on the client's requirement. So customization is no issue, and we deliver globally.
Yeah. Aarsun Woods is the biggest home mandir manufacturer across the globe, and we have the highest number of design in our website.
Our website is aarsunwoods.com, and the highest number is achieved because different people from around the world, they have given us orders, they have got the unit customized as per their requirement, and every time we come up with a different design. And we are really thankful to the clients who have blessed us, trusted us from across the globe. And when you go to our website, there is a section of client testimonials. In the client testimonials, there's a separate section for temples only, and you can see what all we have done, what all we have delivered everywhere globally. Aarsun is an international trademark with 35 countries trademark we have registered, and 55 plus countries we have already delivered to. And this is a global business, and the best part, it's a handmade stuff. Everything that you see here is done by hand. The drawing, the cutting, the carvings, the polishing, painting, fitting. So a lot of people are involved in creating one unit, and we're really thankful to the clients again, because your orders have kept this art, this handwork, handicraft alive. And now all the artisans in our city have a lot of work, and that has happened just because you have trusted us. So please select what you like, tell us what you want, the traditions, the style, the design, everything as per your requirement. We create it and deliver to your home, India or outside India, wherever you are.
So please contact, the number is right in front of you. Dhanyavad.
Thank you.